Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do a Sephora unboxing, and also I'm going to do a Fenty Beauty Blaring Skin Tint Wear and Test by Rihanna. First in the box is this Cicapair from Dr. Chart. This is a calming cream. It doesn't smell anything. Next is this Dear Dahlia lip cream in coral. It's so tiny. It's so cute. Next is this Biossance Squalene Plus Retinol. I've been dying to try this product, so finally they have a mini sample. I use my points to get this mini sample. Next is this Drunk Elephant Proteiny Drunk Elephant. And free 3 samples. This is a foundation from Born This Way Too Faced. And finally, the skin tint from Fenty Beauty. This is how the bottle looks like. It's made of plastic. So shake well before using according to the packaging. And in my face, I only have the Bloomstay water from Sulwhasoo to keep my skin hydrated. I also have the SPF 50 from COSRX. Half of my face I will use this mattifying primer from Rimmel London. I will use a brush and a sponge to apply the skin tint. So this is a dense brush and a damp sponge. Swatch test. I think this is lighter than my skin tone, but it's okay. We will make this work. So using a brush will give you more coverage, but I think since this is a skin tint, it will not give you a ton of coverage. So as you can see, my breakout still peeking through, so I'm gonna add more to cover that. And this is how it looks like. Coverage wise, I think it's okay for a skin tint. It's not shiny at all, but I'm going to powder. I'm using the Fit Me powder from Maybelline because I have oily skin and I cannot go out without a powder. And this is how it looks like after powder. So there's no shine at all. I'm going to finish my makeup and come back. So time check, it's 4:09 p.m. and I use the Dear Dahlia lip cream. This is how it looks like. Okay, so I think I'm done with my makeup. I'm going to do a check-in throughout the day. This is how the skin tint looks like in a natural light. I also went out to buy some things. So I use face mask and face shield, and later I'm going to exercise. It's so hot outside. So this is after 1.5 hours or so. So there's a transfer on my face mask. Hi, Becca. Hi, we're going outside. Kiss muna. Bango. Oh, come on. Come on. Say hi. Hi. Hi, Rebecca. Say hi muna. Hi. 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 Time check, it's 6:51 p.m. So this is after my workout. So as you can see here, I don't have foundation anymore on my chin and all my breakouts are peeking through already. Hi guys! So time check, it's already 8:36 in the evening and I'm about to take a shower. So, update on the foundation. Meron pang konting foundation pero as you can see wala na siyang coverage, nalusaw na. So, my verdict on this skin tint, this is not a foundation, this is a skin tint, blurring skin tint. This will not stand the test of humidity and excessive sweat. Kasi nag-exercise ako, tapos nag-mask. At syempre sobrang humid ngayong summer, so I don't think it will stand the humidity and excessive sweat. Pero if you're just staying indoors, may aircon, o pag nasa mall or cafe, this will perform better, but in humidity it will not. So for me, I think this is okay. It's nice to have. Pero marami pang ibang skin tint na mas mura dito, na mas okay. So that's it you guys for this wear and test using the Fenty Beauty skin tint. So until next time, see you again. Bye!